Welcome to our hair clippers comparison video. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head battle between two popular grooming tools, the Remington Shortcut Pro and the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro. Both of these clippers promise convenience and efficiency for at-home haircuts, but which one truly stands out? We'll explore their features, performance, and user-friendliness to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Remington Shortcut Pro features a unique curved blade designed for easy self-haircutting, allowing users to reach difficult areas with ease. In contrast, the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro is equipped with self-sharpening blades that maintain their sharpness over time, ensuring a clean cut with every use. While both designs have their advantages, the choice ultimately depends on your grooming style and preferences. When it comes to battery life, the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro takes the lead with an impressive runtime of up to 2 hours on a full charge. On the other hand, the Remington Shortcut Pro offers a more modest 40 minutes of runtime. If you frequently find yourself in need of a longer-lasting clipper, the Wahl may be the better option for you. Both clippers come with a variety of guard lengths to help you achieve your desired haircut. The Remington Shortcut Pro includes 9 guards, while the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro offers 12 snap and lock guards. This additional flexibility with the Wahl allows for more precise styling options, making it a great choice for those who like to experiment with different hair lengths. After comparing the Remington Shortcut Pro and the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro, it's clear that both clippers have their unique strengths. The Remington offers a curved blade for easy self-haircuts, while the Wahl excels in battery life and versatility with its additional guards. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal grooming needs. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.